Welcome to Wisdom Vibes. Get ready to test your brain power with our Philippines General Knowledge Quiz. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wisdom Vibes for more fun and challenging quizzes every week. Who is the national hero of the Philippines? What is the first book printed in the Philippines? Who founded the Katipunan? When was Philippine independence declared? Where was Jose Rizal executed? Who is known as the brains of the revolution? Who designed the Philippine flag? What is the oldest city in the Philippines? Who wrote Nos Métangères? What is the ancient Philippine writing system? Who killed Ferdinand Magellan? What was the first Philippine republic? Who founded La Liga Filipina? Who is the first Filipino saint? What is the longest revolt in Philippine history? What was the first Spanish settlement in the Philippines? Who is known as the Great Plebeian? What treaty ended Spanish rule in the Philippines? Who led the longest rebellion in Bohol? What is the oldest university in Asia? Who started the propaganda movement? What battle defeated the Japanese in 1945? Who is the hero of Tirad Pass? Who discovered the Philippines? What year was EDSA People Power? Who is known as the mother of the Philippine flag? Who was the first female president of the Philippines? What is the largest church in the Philippines? Where did the cry of Pugat Lawin happen? Who introduced Christianity to the Philippines? What was the first capital of the Philippines? What was the first Filipino-made newspaper? Who was the youngest Filipino president? Who invented the fluorescent lamp? What is the manunggul jar? Who painted the spoliarium? What is the first mosque in the Philippines? What was the Philippine Independence Day before 1964? Who printed the first Filipino book? Who is known as the Tiger of Malaya? What is the largest battle in Philippine history? Who is the first Ilocano hero? Who founded the KK? What is the real name of Andres Bonifacio? Who waved the Philippine flag on Independence Day? Who was the first Spanish Governor-General of the Philippines? When did martial law begin in the Philippines? What is the oldest stone church in the Philippines? Who was the first Filipino Miss Universe? Who was the first Filipino president under the American period? So, how many did you get right? Comment below your score. Let's see who's the real geography genius. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for the next fun quiz.